फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी बाय द टाइटल ऑफ टुडेस वीडियो, we are finally going to make an official avalanche slime. Now you guys have been wanting me to make this slime from a long time. I know that, but I really don't know. I have been testing it, but the recipes and the textures were not really the right type which I wanted it to be. But I have finally figured out the science of avalanche slime and how to actually make it. So yeah, now I am sharing it with you guys. But before that, make sure if your subscribe button looks like this, then you have to click it and make it like this. Or if your already looks like this, you are already my fantastics, you are already my fantastic fam. So now without talking too much, let's get. So for the first part of this avalanche slime, so this is how an avalanche slime looks like. So for this we need 2 clear slimes and 1 white base slime, like little cereal milk slime, not that thick but a little sticky and a little melty kind of slime. So for that, let's see how we can make that white part, and I'll show you guys right now. Let's see. Now for this white base slime, we are going to take a white glue. Of course, you guys can take any brand of white glue that is available. I am using this, and just take about a little bit because we are not making that big batch of avalanche slime, so I'm not going to take too much, just a little bit. Now for the second ingredient, I am going to use this lotion, just a little bit because we don't want this slime to melt too much. And now for the third ingredient, we need a little bit of shaving foam. Now if you don't have any shaving foam, you guys can take any clean and clear face wash or any other foaming face washes. So we are just going to take this much, and now we are going to mix everything together. And we want this slime to be white because we need that avalanche effect, and this is going to be super nice. You guys just wait. So when you guys can see, like, everything is mixed together nicely, you guys have to just activate it. Now the activator that I'm going to use for this, you guys can use any activator that I showed in my channel, but the ratio is going to be 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 glass of water. So yeah, if you are making your activator by yourself, that is what you want to use, or you guys can use my fantastic lens solution or anything I mentioned in my channel. So I will give that video playlist over here so you guys can check it out. And yeah, now we are going to start activating this. The fact is that you really don't need a very strong activator. You just need a very normal mild activator because this has to be a little fluffy and a little soft slime. And that's just it. It's going to activate itself. Now you don't have to add any more. As you guys can see, this is the consistency that we want. Not super sticky but sticky at the same time. So you just need to knead it like this and it will get together itself. and you just need to keep it aside for a little bit so that it can gloss up, and it will turn into super glossy as well, because we have added a bit of lotion in it, and it is super glossy right now also, you guys can see. And it is going to be perfect when it you know gives that avalanche effect. So yeah, this is ready now. You guys can even add a little bit more. You don't have to make it this sticky. Just make it transferable kind of. And yeah, we are done. So fantastic. Now for the clear part, we are going to use this clear slime that I made for the clear jiggly slime kind of my video. And this is the perfect slime to make avalanche slime, since it's not too thick and it will absorb some of those white slime to make an avalanche effect. So now the only part that is left is how we are going to color this. And now you have to color this with these liquid food colorings. You guys can use powder food colorings as well. You just need to add very tiny amount of it, because this will make your slime even more darker. So you don't want it to get dark. We need to see whatever happens in that avalanche slime. So yeah, now let's make 2 batches of our slime, and let's color them in the basic avalanche slime colors. So can you see? Oh my god. If you want to know how to make this, then you guys can click on the I button and check it out from there. Now I'm going to take a chunk of this. As you guys can see, I have taken 2 section of this clear slime, and I am just going to add one tiny bit of pink food coloring, like literally so little, because this stuff is like super powerful, just this much. And I am going to take a blue food coloring and add very tiny bit of blue as well, very little. Oh my god, yes, that's enough. That's perfect. And now we are just going to mix it all together. We don't want to mix it like completely, because we want it to be clear and visible. So we are just going to be marbling it like this. You see how pretty. Oh my god, this looks so cute. It looks more orange than pink right now because of the container, but yeah, this is how the pink one is looking. It is colored super nicely. Now we are just going to let it sit so that we don't make a lot of bubbles in here. And now we are going to color this blue one. Let's color it. I'm super excited. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Just a little bit of food coloring can color that much. So we are going to mix it like this. And now is the main step that will make it an avalanche slime, which is placing it on the clear container. So now I'm going to start placing this together. Now let me just set them in this container, because this looks a lot broader, and the effect will come very nicely in this one. So you just need to keep them like this. Like this. Can you guys see that? Wow. Wow. Now it's time for our white slime, and now we are going to place it on the top. And now it's time for our white slime. Guys, don't mind my fingers, they just got really colored up when I was mixing these. So yeah, now let's add our white slime. Oh my god, I've never made this before and this slime just doesn't work for me at all, but yeah, finally I think this is going to work. Just cover everything nicely. We need to cover the whole top of this like this, and after a little bit of time we will see that effect. So this is how it looks right now. Let's see it after a little bit of time. So fantastic, it has finally been 2 days since I have left the avalanche slime to get cleared and to get that avalanche effect. So now let me present you guys the avalanche slime. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is it. Oh my god, guys, can you even see this? Oh my god, this looks so good. This turned out even better than what I expected. I have tried making this slime before as well. Let me tell you guys, it didn't go as I thought it is going to be. And this one, oh my god, it has been sitting on my desk for like 2 days now, and I have been just staring at it. Can you guys see how beautiful that looks? I cannot do it for a long time, otherwise the effect will go away. But yeah, can you guys see that? It almost looks like that fancy soaps. But yeah, can you guys see that? I can stare at it, oh my god, for hours. It looks so unreal. It looks so beautiful. I just cannot. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. And I don't know, I just don't want to ruin this effect, so I am going to be posting this on my Instagram whenever I think it's the right time to destroy this, and I just don't want to ruin it. So if you want to watch that, you guys can go and follow me on my Instagram, Farhana Nuzhat and Fantastic Farhana. I'm going to be uploading it on those Instagram, and yeah, it's just so good. And I don't know, like, can you guys see that, how beautiful this looks? Oh my god. So I am going to do this question of the day kind of things. I have been thinking about it from a long time, and I think I need to know you guys more. So let me know, like, this is just a question, don't get too excited, but it might happen in the future. But right now it's no way. I have my university is going to start like tomorrow. I have like my orientation program tomorrow, and I'm just so excited. I am finally going to start attending a university and going forward to like graduation and stuff. Like, I am going to graduate in 2-3 years. So yeah, this is exciting. So this was a little bit of life update, but yeah, I am going to be updating more on that topic on my second channel, which is Farhana Nuzhat. So if you guys want to know more about me and my journey through college and everything, so you guys can go and subscribe that channel. I am going to do vlogs and stuff. I'm going to show you guys my college and stuff. So yeah, that is going to be super interesting. And on that note, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys in another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.